Hi everyone and welcome back to a new tutorial. I hope everybody's doing great. So I'm back today with another new stitch and a fun one to do for an easy project, mostly blankets, pillow covers or anything you like, even for garments. It should be good. So if you wanna know how to do it and what it is, just stay tuned. So for today's tutorial I'm using 5.5 millimeter hook and a medium worsted yarn, and I'm starting with a chain with a magic loop or circle and a number of chain. It's a pair number of chain, you can depending on your project, but here I'm making 20. Okay, so this number is only for the demonstration of the stitch or pattern. It's not an actual number for any project. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna make a round of single crochet. So on the second chain from the hook, I'm gonna yarn over, make a normal single crochet. So just starting the first row with a single crochet. So if you're a beginner here and you're still learning single crochet, slip stitch, how to make a circle, check in the description box where I put the link for the basic stitches, learning the basic stitches, where you'll find a number of videos which can help you learning to crochet from the beginning. Okay, I'm nearly done here. And my last single crochet in this row. Okay, so now I'm gonna chain 2, 1 and 2, and I'm gonna turn my work. I've got my first stitch over here. I'm gonna do 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet and 1 double crochet. So basically in every stitch where I'm going to show you next, we'll do 1 single crochet, 1 half double, 1 double crochet. Now I'm going to skip 2 stitches, and on the next stitch it's going to be the same thing. 1 single crochet, 1 half and 1 double. I'm gonna skip 2 again, and on the next one, 1 single crochet, 1 half, 1 double. Skip 2 again, and we repeat. We're gonna repeat the same until the end of the row. So 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet and 1 double crochet. Then we skip 2 and we repeat again. 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet and 1 double crochet. Skip 2, single crochet, . can see. Okay, so I've got 3 chains left, or stitches. I'm gonna skip 2 and I will do 1 single crochet in the last stitch. So just a single crochet. Now I'm gonna chain 2, 1 and 2, and I'll repeat what I did in the first row, means 1 single crochet in the first stitch, which is here, half double and double. I'm gonna skip 2 and again 1 single crochet, sorry, did a mistake, okay, yeah, skip 2 and here I will do a single crochet, half and double, skip 2 and the next one single crochet, half, double and double. So basically I'm gonna be repeating the same for each row. So I will end up with a single crochet at the end, and I will start with a chain 2 and a single, half, double, double crochet in the same stitch. We always skip 2 in between this pattern, or this cluster if you wanna call it. So skip 2 again, single, half and double. It's a very easy pattern where you're gonna be repeating just the same stitches all over till the end of your project. Skip 2 and single, half and double, single, half and double, and skip 2 and single crochet only. Okay, so basically again for the next row you're gonna chain 2 and a cluster, again skip 2, cluster, skip 2, cluster. This cluster is made of 1 single crochet, 1 half double and 1 double crochet. So basically this is the pattern, very easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care, bye bye.